editing a WordPress website can be surprisingly easy once you know where to look. Whether you're tweaking your homepage, updating content, or just customizing your theme, here's how you can do it. So in this video, I'll show you how to edit WordPress website. So to get started, go ahead and open your WordPress website and then head over into the Pages tab. From here, go ahead and click on the edit button below that specific page that you want to edit. So that will allow you to edit that specific page on your WordPress website. Now that will take you into this section. So in here, you can go ahead and incorporate the changes that you want to create on your WordPress website. So you can add the title of this WordPress page of your website. You can also add more elements to this. You can go ahead and edit the text out, incorporate more image, add more blocks. And then once you're done, you can go ahead and click on that save button at the top right of your screen to save the changes that you've made. So that is how you can basically edit a WordPress website. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this.